Hey guys, my name is Kelsey Goodwin, and for my performance solution video, I decided to do a tutorial on how to create a TED Ed video because it's a really good way to create a lesson or a training program that's interactive. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through all the steps of creating your perfect video. So first you're going to hit create a lesson, which is right here, and it's going to bring you to a place where it asks for your YouTube URL. So you're going to have to find a video off of YouTube or upload your own video onto YouTube to be able to upload it to this. So I already found one. I'm just going to go ahead and post it and have it search for it. It came up with two, but I'm going to pick the video on the left because that's the video that I chose. Up here, it'll show it to you closer in a little bit of the description. And that's the correct video, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit continue. So from there, it's going to give you a lesson title that you can change. All you have to do is just exit that. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and keep that title for now. For Let's Begin, that's just an introduction, and whenever you want to add one of those, if you look, you just click on it right there. So I'm just going to say, welcome to my video or lesson, and then I'm going to state my learning objective that I hope you guys get out of this. So after watching this video, you should be able to create your own TED Ed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, and so that'll be in the video. So for a think question, you just click on it. I'm going to do an open answer question, but you can also do multiple choice question. From here on out, I'm just going to make my questions pertain to the video that I uploaded, but you can make it whatever you want. So for open-ended, I'm actually going to do true or false and just put it in that format. And I'm going to say the HR world is constantly changing, or role. The HR role is constantly evolving. I'm going to hit save. And you can add another think question if you want. I'm only going to add one just to show you guys how to do it. For dig deeper, I'm going to actually ask them why they believe their initial answer for the first one because it just gets them to think about it. So you just type in whatever you want. You can say, why do you believe the HR role is or is not constantly evolving? Okay, so when you're done with that, you just hit save. And then you can add a discussion question. That's good. You just put a prompt, and then whoever watches your video, whether it's students or trainees, they'll be able to actually respond to the discussion. So my discussion is going to be, how do you see technology changing the HR role? That's what my video is about again. And then you're going to add a conclusion. So that's just your closing thought. You can reiterate what you believe the learning objective was. You can write the main points. For me, I'm just going to write that the HR role is constantly changing. Evolving. Oh, and if you spell it wrong, spell check is awesome. So you just hit save. When you're done and you believe you have everything that you want, you're satisfied, you're going to go ahead and hit publish. So it's publishing it right now for me. So I'm going to make it so students do not have to have TED Ed accounts to be able to watch my video, just so more people can watch it if they want to, but you can require it. If you hit share your lesson, that's actually going to put in an email format, but I don't need that because it's already been published. So I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of that. And then I'm going to watch the video to see how it looks. As you can see, I have a couple of my other videos on here. Just hit play. And so you see the lesson role or titles up here, and that's just the name of my video. And this is your welcome role right here, whatever you put in. And you're going to hit play for the video.
In the beginning, the role of your HR team was largely functional.
And you can see that that's just going to play through the whole entire video. And while the trainee or student watches the video, they can go over here. So I have a think, and it says true or false. The HR role is constantly evolving. They can put their answer in here. I'm just going to say true. They can save their answer. And then for dig deeper, that's just why do you believe? And that's just something for them to answer on their own. You can go next session, or you can hit it right here. So that's just your discussion. How do you see technology changing the role? So they'll be able to start the discussion. You just click that to put in your answer. And then for and finally, it's just your conclusion or your wrap up. And mine is that the HR role is constantly evolving. So I hope that you found this tutorial very useful and that you guys will be able to make your own TED Ed lesson plans and training modules.